Retiring at 35 in Singapore with a 2 million portfolio. Sounds impossible, right? Most people think early retirement is only for ultra rich or lottery winners. But here's the truth. It's possible with a clear plan, disciplined savings, and smart investing. In this video, I'll share my personal roadmap from mindset shift to portfolio allocation and how I plan to grow my money through dividends, long-term investments, and option trading. By the end of this video, you will see how a construct approach can realistically help you reach financial independence much earlier than most people think. Let's start with the target. Why 2 million? In Singapore, living expenses are high. Even if you live minimally, you will spend a few $1,000s each month, like owning a property, healthcare, transport, and food. It all adds up. Supposingly, my goal is 6,000 per month. That is 72,000 per year. Using a 4% withdrawal rule, I will need 1.8 million invested. To account for inflation and provide a buffer for unexpected events, I aim for 2 million. This number allows me to cover my lifestyle comfortably, continue reinvesting and growing my wealth, absorb market shocks without stress. It's not just about surviving, it's also about living the life. Reaching 2 million by 35 isn't about luck, it's about mindset. Most people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Earning more equals spending more. First paycheck, upgrade your phone, bonus, go on holiday, promotion, buying a bigger condo. For me, I take a different approach. Living intentionally and controlling expenses. I will have to save rigorously up to 50 to 60% of my income. Sometimes, by having this approach, you will also delay your long term freedom. The key is to see every dollar saved as a step towards independence. The earlier you start, the more compounding works in your favor. My 2 million portfolio is constructed for stability, growth, and cash flow. I will put 10% as cash, which is around 200k. So 20% will goes to dividend stocks or any REITs, which is about 400k. 30% will be for long-term investment, which is around 600k. 40% will be going to option trading, which is around 800k. Each component has a specific purpose. Together, they provide security, steady income, growth potential, and flexibility to seize opportunity during market downturns. Cash may seem boring, but is essential. I allocate 200k for emergencies and unexpected expenses, and even opportunities to buy strong stocks when market drops. Think of cash as dry powder. In a market crash, while others panic sell, I can buy quality companies at discounted price. This strategy is how you can accelerate wealth without taking unnecessary risks. If you are looking for a broker to start investing, check out Tiger Broker Singapore. They are user friendly, offer responsive customer service, and make the trading journey much smoother, especially if you are just getting started. And here's a bonus. If you use my referral link and deposit at least 1000 USD and complete just one buy trade, you'll receive USD $5 worth of Tesla stock. This is a brokerage that have simple steps, quick rewards, and a great platform. You will find my referral link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Tiger Broker is currently running a SG60 campaign with SGX. Enjoy no custodian fees, zero commission for SGX listed securities. SGX CDP custodian fees for Tiger Broker is waived until further notice. No additional action required. This is a 3 months campaign, 23rd of July to 17 October, designed to reward both consistent trader and top performer. Trade SGX listed security during the campaign period to climb the leaderboard, and there are prizes worth SG60 to SG 3,800. Next, 400k in dividend paying stocks and REITs. In Singapore, I mainly focus on DBS, UOB, OCBC for stable banking dividends. And also for REITs, it will be Parkway Life REITs, Maple Tree Industrial Trust, or even Ching Siong for consumer staple resilience. At an average 5% yield, this generates around 20,000 per year or around 1,600 per month. Dividends are the foundation of financial independence. They pay you whether market rise or fall, giving you cash flow to cover living expenses and reinvesting it in growth. The next 30% will be going to the long-term investments. Then we have 600k in long-term investment, my growth engine. This includes global ETF like VOO and QQQ, and some selected growth stocks with strong fundamentals. The goal isn't monthly income. Historically, this ETF returns 8 to 10% per year. By age 35, this portion should continue growing, while I focus on income from dividends and option trading. Long-term investments are how I protect my portfolio against inflation and build real wealth over time. The largest allocation is 800k in option trading. I focus on covered call, earning premiums on shares I already own. Cash secure put, collecting premium while waiting to buy shares at discount. The real strategy, combining both puts and calls for consistent monthly cash flow. Even conservative 1 to 2% monthly returns from this allocation equal 8,000 to 16,000 per month. This cash flow generate the path to 2 million, while the underlying asset continue to grow. Option trading is active but is a powerful tool to create recurring income without selling the underlying shares. No plan is without risk. Market crashes, stock and ETF values can drop, reducing capital. Option risk, mismanaged trades can result in losses. Inflation and cost. Living in Singapore is expensive. Lifestyle creeps can derail your plans. Active management. Option require attention. Neglecting it can reduce income. And that is why I diversify, keeping cash reserve and only trade options on company I will own long term. Risk management is key of protecting both capital and cash flow. So what does life at 35 with a 2 million portfolio will look like? I can cover my living expenses comfortably, continue reinvesting and growing my wealth. Choose working for passion, not necessity, travel, focus on hobbies, or spending more time with family. Early retirement isn't about not working. It's about the freedom of choice. So do you think that retirement at 35 in Singapore with a 2 million portfolio is really achievable? With discipline, smart investing, and multiple income streams, cash, dividends, long-term growth, and option trading, financial independence is within your reach. If you find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more financial freedom strategies and share with someone who is chasing early retirement. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.